Welcome to Truck Access Plus, where we give you legendary products and service. You are looking at the RetraxPRO MX, the only retractable cover with a lifetime warranty. Check out these thick aircraft grade aluminum slats. This cover supports up to 500 pounds on it. Unlock your cover with the push of a button and watch your lock double as a handle. Opening this cover is a breeze. Hear it glide open with the sealed ball bearings. Stop and lock this cover anywhere you desire to secure a ladder or material sticking outside the bed. This is a clamp-on install, no drilling. It has drain tubes that exit any water outside the truck bed. Seals lay under every edge and in between each rail and slat, making this cover extremely weatherproof. Make your Retrax cover compatible with the rack system by upgrading to the XR version. You can own this legendary cover today at Truck Access Plus or order on our website at www.truckaccessplus.com.